Let's begin. Repeat the expressions out loud.
Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect.
The sky's the limit. The sky's the limit.
Over the moon. Over the moon.
Break a leg. Break a leg.
Hit the hay. Hit the hay.
A piece of cake. A piece of cake.
Repeat the sentences out loud.
I play the violin every day because practice makes perfect.
If you keep working hard, the sky's the limit.
She was over the moon to see her best friend again.
Your presentation will be great. Break a leg.
Hitting the hay early helps your brain learn faster.
I knew it wouldn't be a piece of cake, so I studied hard.
Repeat the expressions out loud.
Practice makes perfect.
The sky's the limit.
Over the moon.
Break a leg.
Hit the hay.
A piece of cake.
Did you understand them all? I hope so. Remember to complete the PDF. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.